Hey guys, talking to you a little bit about kayaks today. I've seen a lot of different kinds. The inflatables. The problem with those is you hit a snag or a thorn bush or anything, which are common on the river, and it busts a hole in your inflatable. You're done. Another thing I saw was that corrugated plastic that they use in office buildings to move files up and downstairs. They actually made a foldable kayak out of that stuff. You hit any kind of rock or snag at any kind of speed, I mean, they say it's durable. I looked at them; they're not that durable. That thing busts open on the river, you're screwed. Another one I saw was this is one that breaks apart into three pieces and it goes together in straps. The problem is your arms are always hitting the straps when you're going down the river, and you can't really carry any kind of payload on it. Now there are several types of kayaks. This is the one I've got. It's a homemade job, but I'll tell you what, this thing will carry 350-pound payload besides myself. This is great for a game. It's big, it's heavy, but it moves really well in the water. It's very well contoured, and I've taken it out in the ocean, and it bucks the waves great. I can put outrigging on it for crab traps and for fishing poles and all kinds of different things. It's big. It's a 13-foot kayak, and it's a beast. It's heavy, but man, it'll get the job done. And that's what I like, is I don't want to mess around. I've hit rocks with it. I've been hit by seals. I've had seals come up and hit this thing, boom, as hard as they can, trying to get me out of there. And nothing puts a dent in this boat. And so personally, if I'm in a kayak, I want something like this. All right, we're getting ready to tackle the Columbia at Normanowski. Got he's grabbing his gear. Then we got this beauty. Right, me and Gray Jedi pulling up on our first island here.
Abandoned. Nobody else here.
We're gonna check it out for bears and Sasquatch. Okay, we just found a shelter here. Somebody was playing on like the show Alone, trying to survive out in this rustic island.